There are definitely a ton of products you can sell on Etsy, but if you are a starter to print on demand and you're not sure which type of products to create or even what type of designs to sell, I want to share with you some top selling products in today's videos that can make you hundreds, even thousands of sales. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'll share with you a very easy way to find top trending products you can start selling, just not on t-shirt products, but on other products as well that are selling hundreds of products right now on Etsy. So I'll share this all with you coming up next. The first place I think you should start selling products is still within the t-shirt space, but specifically I think targeting the right type of products can help you do extremely well in regards to sales. And the type of products that I have seen to do extremely well on Etsy are these custom style t-shirts. You can see this custom shirt here is doing extremely well. They're obviously focusing on the pet niche. Again, they have this unique art style, which is really popular right now on Etsy and can be done with a lot of different niches, as you'll see in a moment here. You can see this simple design brings in the different type of images brought over from the customer with this pet and some unique art styles in the back and putting the pet name right on the shirt itself. It has 137 products sold in the last 24 hours. And with this product only being around for 9 months, this product sold over 12,000 products. And this could be an easy niche for you to get into and start selling as well. And we can see these same type of products doing well also. Again, we see this custom shirt here. 60 people bought it in the last 24 hours. It's been around just for 12 months, and it has made over 14,000 sales. Again, following the same type of theme. And as you can see here, this can go on and on with different type of breeds of animals you can introduce into this niche as well. As we can see here, the same type of style, right? Having the picture of the pet in multiple ways with this starry lightning background here. And obviously with the pet name on top is doing extremely well also. We can see this shirt has sold 31 times in the past 24 hours. Again, only been around for 3 months and already gained over 300 sales. Is it possible to still sell t-shirts as a new shop? Yes. But I think we have to be a little strategic in regards to what niche we target, and definitely bringing in that customization can help us stand out above the rest of the competition. And it can be done just not with pet t-shirts, but also with sports t-shirts. Again, the same type of style can be applied in multiple places if you see a gap in the market and an opportunity for you to bring this design into the market space. We can see this is a basketball t-shirt, totally out of the niche of pets, but it's still bringing in the same type of elements that we know to do extremely well. Again, we have personalization all over the shirt here. We have multiple pictures of the person in the shirt, and this has sold 32 times in the past 24 hours, and it's only been around for 4 months and sold over 300 products. And the cool thing about this is that you can sell all these products without necessarily printing them out yourself. And most of the products that we're talking about today can be found with Printify. And if you don't know anything about Printify, Printify is a great place for you to have another person print the products for you, and you just focus on the design. And this is an easy way for you to scale this business because you're simply focusing on the design itself and allow Printify to print and ship out the products to your customers. You can see here, there are a lot of different print on demand providers with Printify, so you can find one that fits your price, the color style that you want, the print area, as well as the size, and get started designing with these type of products. And with Printify, you are able to sell a ton of different products. You can sell coffee mugs, hats, socks, tote bags, pillowcases, blankets, mouse pads, phone cases, and even candles. There's so much you can do with Printify. And they were so kind of give my audience a discount code to utilize the Printify premium version 30 days absolutely for free here. That means you get a discount on all products sold, therefore making it easy for you to make more profit in the long run. If you don't want to use Printify Premium, you can use their free version as well and get access to all the products we're talking about in today's video. But I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below for you to get started with Printify on your own and to see if this is best for your Etsy business. These type of sweatshirts are doing extremely well. And again, you don't have to have a lot of design experience for you to create a high selling product. We can see this sweatshirt here, simply putting in these type of wildflower designs has done extremely well with sales. This has sold 4 times in the last 24 hours and over 300 people have it in the cart. You can see that it doesn't take a lot of design experience for you to do this and actually sell well on Etsy. You can easily add in some type of personalization to this or even placement design with something on the sleeve or the pocket style of the t-shirt or sweatshirt that can help this outbeat the competition. But as you can see, sometimes simple sales and it can do extremely well for you as a result. We can see this simple product has sold also. Again, not a lot of graphic design experience is needed here, but definitely focusing on these specific niches can help you sell extremely well, and always add in an extra space of value for these designs. Definitely adding in a different type of heart, a leopard style design here, adding in personalization to the sleeve can make this stand out even more. Just bringing in some unique font styles to this design can make this stand out above the rest of the competition. Nonetheless, we can still see that simple sales. This has over 400 people in the cart, and in 23 months, it has sold over 3,000 products. And so, if you're thinking about jumping into print on demand and you're saying, I don't have a lot of graphic design experience, I think this design really proves that if you focus on the right style, focus on the right micro niche audience, and really bring in something that really speaks to the audience, can help you sell it extremely well. And of course, as I often said, adding in unique value points here by adding in different font styles, maybe adding in some unique heart designs here, along with customization, because I believe customization is key in 2025. I think you can do extremely well. Nonetheless, we can see here simple sales. And here is an example of what I mean by bringing in a unique style of personalization. Again, this here is not more so bringing in names, but yet adding that picture in a unique style that's adding in that value point of personalization. They have simply an image that the customer has brought in, and utilize some AI tools to outline the image to bring in this type of personalization here on the pocket style of the design. This has only been around for 24 months, but has sold over 2,000 products. And there's multiple spaces we can do this, just not for pictures of families, but we can do this for pets. We can see that the opportunities to create these type of pet products utilizing that same outline style could do extremely well, as we see here. And Printify also has this for you to start selling as well. Again, we can see they have their Gildan 18,000 series sweatshirt you can start selling right now. And you can see these sweatshirts are selling all over Etsy, and utilizing Printify can definitely help you get started selling it as well. Now, maybe you're not into apparel products, but you definitely want to do something print on demand. I think the next easy step to go from apparel to non-apparel products is going to a coffee mug. Everyone uses it. It's always a great time to give someone a coffee mug. But again, specifically, we want to get into designs or niches that we know can do extremely well, especially for beginners. And if you see this product here, very simple, putting in a funny phrase, but tied to a specific occasion in the year can do extremely well. And creating coffee mugs for the retirement niche can do extremely well. We can see 14 people bought it in the last 24 hours and has over 800 people in the cart right now, probably waiting for the special occasion to check out, right? But we can see this product has only been around for 4 months and made over 700 sales. And this is what I mean by focusing on a popular category like a coffee mug, but then focusing on the micro niches that you can actually sell well. So we have a funny style type of design here with just a funny text, but we also have some personalization talking about retirement and bringing in the year and that specific person name. So there's a lot here that you can add to this design to make it even more valuable to the customer. But as you can see, combining personalization with a funny type of quote to a specific occasion can help you do well as a beginner. And that's just not the only coffee mug that's doing well. Remember, we talked about personalization is key in 2025 selling on Etsy. Well, here's proof in the pudding here, right? This is a customized type of design. It really doesn't bring in any text into the design at all, but it's bringing in a collage of pictures for the family. And we can see been around for 4 months, sold over 800 products, and over 100 people have it in the cart right now. You can simply set up a grid where you can drag and drop all the customer designs in here. And this can really speed up this entire design process. And of course, you can always go a step further and add in more value by adding in some text or adding in some personalization with a particular year, or adding in a particular text focused on a specific occasion. But as you can see here, personalization does not have to mean adding in text. It can simply mean adding in pictures. And this is definitely something you can do to make it stand out even more. Again, 800 products sold in 4 months. I think this is a great product for beginners to create. And when we're talking about personalization, it does not have to be a lot, right? We can see this design here, bringing in a pet picture along with the baby photo, is doing extremely well. This is probably as simple as you're going to get it, right? When it comes down to personalization, but it works, right? 9 people bought it in the last 24 hours. Over 100 people have it in the cart right now. Only been around for 9 months, but sold 600 products, almost 300 products in the last 30 days. So again, you're talking about coming into this space, print on demand. Is it possible for beginners? Absolutely, yes. But I think you have to be strategic in regards to what micro niche audience you're going to focus on. And as you can see, most of what we're talking about today is adding in some type of personalization, some type of level of customization that can do extremely well for these particular products here. And again, you don't have to do a lot of work to get these up and running. But again, getting into these customizations, I think, is the way to go. And of course, Printify does offer these products to you as well. Again, focusing on the design that's selling well and then bringing this into a large marketplace that, like Etsy, things are going to sell well because people are buying products all the time. We can take this, bring it to the cat niche. We can take it to the horse niche. We can replace the dog here and maybe put a special occasion, like maybe a baby's crib or maybe a new home to celebrate a family's new home and a new birth. There's so many things we can do to add in personalization to go beyond what we see works here. But again, finding these products, understanding what's selling well, and then jumping into Printify and creating these and listing these and selling these, I think is a great place for beginners to start. And here's another example of a product that's selling well. If you do want to go into the drinkware, selling these glass tumblers, there's a lot of different designs that are selling well. We can see this product is bringing in that wildflower design we found to work well back on these sweatshirts. If you can see here, most of what's selling on sweatshirts or apparel can be applied into these other products like these glass tumblers. So they're bringing in this wildflower design. And of course, what do we have here? Personalization as well. There's proof that personalization or customization works. 77 people bought it in the last 24 hours here. This has only been around for 4 months and it's made over 4,000 sales. And again, the list goes on and on with these glass tumblers, and definitely there's opportunities for you to add in personalization. And of course, if you don't want to make these yourself, Printify has that for you to sell also. Again, you can simply focus on the design and use Printify as the means of getting all these things printed and shipped out to your customer, where you're simply focusing on creating these designs and listing high quality products on Etsy. So as you can see here, there are a lot of opportunities for you to sell on Etsy. I think selling print on demand products is still valuable to someone like you who want to get started. But I think the key here is focusing on specific categories that are obviously selling well, and then fine tuning your design with products that are focusing on micro niches and bringing in customizations in a unique way that can help your product stand out way above the rest of the competition and be like this shop here. I mean, 14,000 sales in just 12 months for one product alone. And again, whatever is selling on a t-shirt can be applied to another product like a coffee mug, a glass tumbler, or even a sweater. So there's a lot of opportunities for you to start selling these type of products on Etsy. Now, if you're new to Printify, you're not sure how to get started selling the type of products, I have created a very easy starter guide that will share with you how to get your Etsy shop up and running for print on demand. It will share with you how to get started with Printify, how to look for products that are selling well, and how to make sure that Etsy and Printify communicates well together so that when you get an order, you can actually get that order fulfilled by Printify and have it shipped out to your customers. So if you want to get access to that starter guide, simply put in the comment section below the word starter, and I'll make sure I send that over to you today. And check out this next video here where I share with you how to create top selling designs utilizing some AI tools to help you design well and sell on Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.